A bag has 29 marbles. Quick, how many? You'd probably just say about 30. Swapping 29 for the simpler 30 is called rounding, changing a number to a nearby number that's easier to use. Every number sits between two tens, and to find the nearest one, just look at the ones digit. 4 or less, round down, the tens digit stays and the ones become 0. 5 or more, round up, add 1 to the tens and the ones becomes 0. So 47 rounds up to 50. Let's round 364 to the nearest 10. The ones digit is 4. 4 or less, so we round down. It becomes 360, and the number line proves it. 364 sits before the halfway mark, closer to 360. Now the nearest 100, same rule. One place to the right of the hundreds, the tens digit. In 364, the tens digit is 6, 5 or more, so this time we round up. Add 1 to the hundreds, and the rest becomes 0. It rounds up to 400. The number line agrees, 364 is past the halfway mark, much closer to 400 than to 300. Let's remember, rounding gives a simpler nearby number. Look one place to the right of where you're rounding, 4 or less, round down, 5 or more, round up.